Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with another card. We are in the middle of March Madness, and I am going through my very belated Fish and a Wish series within March Madness. So this particular card I really like. It's very fun. And it is a shaker. I've seen them done, but I had never done one before. So you take the clear envelopes that Stampin' Up! Has, you put together your design, which I used some of the blending brushes, and I did a sponging of the Starry Sky with Tahitian Tide over in this corner, in the bottom corner, and over in the right. Then I had to make sure I went just wide enough to make it kind of span out, and I wanted to leave this nice white wrapping around the three different sponged areas. I used botanical layers inked up in Granny Apple Green. I've got Granny Apple Green glitter. I pulled out, these are the fancy sequins, and then there's these dots that are floating around here. I will put them on the supplies list. I picked the light aqua blue color and used small, medium, and large in abundance. So I did 3 small ones for the fish bubbles, and then 2 large, another small, and a medium, and then I did the double layer of round. This was a Pinterest pin. I will go find it and add it. And I think I changed up some of the things. I know that the blue layer is a little thicker. I don't think she did a double layer. I went ahead and did breaking up a Sea of Thanks into 3 layers, and I stacked them. You know, I like to do jaunty angles, but for whatever reason, for me, this just looked like they should be stacked like a pyramid. And then I added the bow with the metallic Tahitian Tide. It is on a, I'm gonna say that this paper is a DSP. You could use Starry Sky, and Orchid Oasis is the color of the matte. I tacked it all down, and it is on a base, and I have not even decorated the inside because, again, I'm going to be finishing all of these by the end of today to get ready for a big sale that I'm going to put them in. All right, so that concludes this March Madness episode 15. If I hadn't already mentioned it, because I'm staring at the different cards. So this is number 15. Be sure to add your comments, questions, or concerns on this video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.